Abushan for higher GC News, Mima Ubibia Kwaba, Hadia, latest and hot news, and Kwa Aramede, Bremo, and Uti, so when you subscribe to channel, idea, Bomodia say, Uber subscribe. Yobayana say, Uber click a year the subscribe button. Na wabeli a year notification. We understand video for Frubia be upload. Also, once a be can be. Afi we are na like video na give us a thumbs up na afi share ma wo foforo so na wenye bi hwe na wo hu ensemo a ekoso e wo Ghana me mu hanom afi yenti ye sansem ya ababetuja yenti sa report.
Now John Mahama na president of Ghana and the or the assembly betuja hey Kevin de la Basemo de bia me ko pe problem ma me ho manu we ekọ wanwi memba na me ka kire am say oh and last on say that say on say memba nyina omo middle name omo yamba mienu nti penyin no me de ne to eye me wife mame na ketwa no me de ne to me ame mame nti penyin no o hwe de din na like Zara AC Schwartz Taylor but Zara nkasa no Zara AC Schwartz Taylor nti ne mame ni din kakra no Zara din no de to ne mame wa ha na ketwa no ye frɛ no Carmen Aba so you to ha now Abba Sasu because my friend is Sasu Abba Sasu Taylor now me mbani busa me say na me din the same and I'm so me din the some woman say from Kevin Taylor and I'm so dad your full name and I'm so from Kevin Echo Bedu Taylor e say me mbani from me Echo Baby and I'm so me mbani say from me Echo Baby Taylor I'm say mo fan say baby near cool say it me man o me phone chat I say Echo Baby how are you say Echo Baby is good I remember no from Echo Bedu o from Echo Baby Echo Baby nkura no unom ka asem bia na say credit me ka brofo mo se meti enyo easy o na say me ko ka brofo bi e wa Nazara said that it's not I'm say me ho no sa na ka no I say no that's what me say sa na me kro mo ne ka no brofo bia bibia na nan say ka brofo bi na me nti ase and I'm saying no so asechere say sa brofo nkora me baby I'm free no we are from far away you no musia na abo ebinim so your father is African into the things when I don't say it the way you want it also dad you don't say this way me say yeah on sa na tie ya slange and slange into the tie na me de mamo no nan say you be can word be that say enkan sa and I'm say accent no ever sound my bit was me say jan kwara na mama na o say me cheche mu kire omo at the on say word bi wo ho a e abrofo word inti ene sa ye ka ye ne say ne ba America ne use slangs me ba America me ba me slang me use bi da omo use slangs no mo ho I gotta go for omo mo ho me America me ba me slangs no how are you yes sir thank you very much oh I mean bring net so me slangs enkwara no and they say omo from me Echo Baby I they say I don't from the baby no so be inti from Echo Baby Taylor then I say what to be cover of na me ntiase ba na my say ntiase okay or dad you get it they say yeah also, nah, I think you don't get it. I say, I get it. Also, it's not I get it. It's I get it. I said, no, I get it. G-E-T, get. And I-T, it, get it. I said, no, Dad. It's not get it. It's not get it. It's get it. I say, hey, I didn't know when me do with Fiano. Maybe I go for film you. Never be a dominant. Now, Mamma Mia said, I'm in the American. I'm saying, no, it's not get it. It is get it. And I'm saying, I be, Yanni Hono, Madame Nyam must say, G-E-T, get. And I tie it. I ne ba inti I kese ba ko na I ketwa and A ne ba capital A and small a. Inti eno no sa a lion has a tail na di name was a bunch Kofi wo fufu a san kwasa se na di name na be pia. Inti nyame na aye. I nyame na aye. I a lion has a tail. Kwasa se bogwa. All right now. Your president John Dramani Mahama akasa. My president, your president. Echo Baby. President John Dramani Mahama has directed his executive secretary to formally write to the Inspector General of Police to request an update on the status of investigations into the death that occurred during the 2020 and 2024 elections. And John Dramani Mahama directed the secretary, your friend Mr. Callistus Mahama, say unreleased krata enkoma police opinion a friend IGP. Now on cancer IGP say nipa ye ku election 2020 so refia mechiro any nipa ye ku election 2024 we no opese IGP be investigations no o say no wano opese ohu omo ku Ghana for intende the president of the Republic of Ghana John Mahama was suma letter through the secretary emia de koma IGP. Na letter no ye be kan adwudwom ye de be for 30 minutes. Ye wian me be phone lines adwudwom ma de Mahama chere ankasa ne de opese IGP ye no. Mama mu nyina matia se sene be ya kwase bi nkohye Vietnam suit. Embetena Kesvin na asase radio. Anan nkotena eye ton no buom ewo ebia eye Peace FM. So wa abrochire embekeka nkwase asem nkyere mo. Bibenya abotire dwudwom ma Ghana for matiase. Letter no de womunie na de kodi enti John Mahama se ope se IGP yihwem no sa asem we na John Mahama se ope investigations wom. All right, so killings when they see 2020 elections in your bonipa to pay in watch team 2024 years so under Akufo Addo and Bawumia ya bonipa to ekuomo elections. John Mahama choleta koma IGP say me na me president sadie na o say yehuhwem sisia na emom no e o say nya abotre ne kan letter ne tiase ne ehu de John Mahama pote de potea ope e wo IGP ho. Because debi asabuti na asrewa oje ne ba ana o ma ne maduane na oyini ato nchen na sebio obi bese eye de amiko bi na manke bi de ene nka wankokora nkeye ene so otwe mom de wankokora na we de ebeko eni ti anwumre mete ha eye asante kasanti me de ebe start de me beye no yesi eye de Kojo Kyeremanteng sebio otonsuom kura ne honsensan de ewo ho de eye ne dada na saa ne ebe ne de ye be kenkan ne adwudwom e magana fo atiase. Now de John Mahama ekro ekoma eye IGP ni ebe de edo enkwasi abenko na say kuru ebe. Now this is the letter from the presidency 0PS 2632522. The Inspector General of Police letter ni free the office of the president de kwakoma IGP John Mahama and or instructed the secretary Mr. Callistus Mahama and also throw letter we the IGP. Now, letter no echo free the office of the president, as you can see up there. And Osha letter na it is addressed to the Inspector General of Police, Ghana Police Service, National Police Headquarters, Accra, Ghana. Dear Dr. Dampare, sorry, Dr. Dampare, if you say me the Dr. Mbeba, Dr. Dampare. Now, letter no, dear Nitri Pono essay request for immediate investigation into the deaths of 8 Ghanaians during the 2020 and 2024 general elections. Dr. Dampare and the letter and secretary president President John Dramani Mahama ho the secretary Trouble and say letter ni tipo say John Mahama say or share IGP say enimenim he ya ka say immediate enimenim he ya or say say IGP no ebie nhwehwemu ewo 2020 and 2024 elections nipa omuwu ye be ye enwotwe no or say or share IGP say yem be investigation na enimenim he ya yehu omo a omudi sa abone no mama enjudwem. I have been instructed by His Excellency John Dramani Mahama or His Excellency John Mahama to formally request your office to initiate immediate investigations into the tragic death of Ghanaian citizens during the 2020-2024 general elections. I am Mr. Callistus Mahama, Secretary to the President, and I'll say, President, John Mahama, amame instructions say, men can't show, and for Krata, we say, or person will be in Jishemu, our election 2020, Nipe Kunkum, and election 2024, a Kunkum na a basono. Or see any menu here be investigations no. Or no yejum so I'm for Muntinam Waha. Also, these incidents, which occurred in various parts of the country, have left a lasting scar on our democratic process, and it is imperative that justice is served for the victims and their families. Letter Nimono, John Mahama, through the secretary Erikoma Dr. Dampare no say sans some see 2020-2024 you cool nipa during elections no ama ye kebi ma min kebi no sebio atwena sekakra ama sebio enwaka ama nipa bi enhyeda enyi gidie wom nti ohu ne say saa eye nhwehwemu yi so otumi ya ebema Ghana for gidie ye wo kebi ma min kebi mu ene sebio ye beginem ema enu egina ne naso no ebema eden ebema na gina ena eno so no ebeboa ma ebusuafo a omade hia ye bo mutuo 2020-2024 no election no almost benya akomapa sebio ehun se oman etimi sebio yentumi enku obi emfa ne hundi na omo a omudi saa adwiri mu no sebio aban anasa emra ene omudi yedwudwam so amefo omuntie me. Now, to ensure the investigations are comprehensive and transparent, we respectfully propose the following. John Dramani Mahama, through his secretary, Mr. Callistus Mahama, or say Mr. Dampare, President to say investigation, they move back daho, kroji, na wanka se weni, anasa we juma be sweni, na Ghana fo be hu se, ya boy juma abo Ghana fo nyina ho ban, ehu no kure no, se ne be ya obi entumi kansem hunu nkyere IGP, enka se police fo endi omu juma yi no, o se sebio omu de nsem bi to wenim senia, anka sa nsem we nka o hwe no so ka ho, e de investigations na nka beboa, e proposal, e ade bi a sebio, e adwenkyere a omu de ka ho, se ne be ya uye wadwuma ayama wenim so enko sa adwenkyere ana proposal, anasa sebio adwene a omboso ede mawo. President Nanado Dankwa Akufo Addo ofiri aban mu a yehu se sebio odjimi no enyansafo ana onyansani president John Mahama aba ono na enya abotre solve Ghana problems. So amefo obi aye okay yento aso obi aba fine wo Ghana yede no kure no be bia be fine squeaky clean. Ai now yenko eye proposals so. 1. Establishment of a dedicated investigative task force. Now we read it under data or say form a special task force within the CID to focus solely on these cases, ensuring undivided attention and efficient handling of this matter. Omo adwenkyira John Mahama through the secretary Edema Dr. Dampare say was sa investigations we shedati team and a task force omo de omo dwuma ne say omo betena asem we so se ne be omo adwene enko be foforo so omo betuma concentrate edi dwuma no ama sebio investigation no akoso totin nti one of the proposals at John Mahama Edema Dr. Dampare sebio the presidency omo respected and say omo pese IGP a special task force omo dwuma nkoane saa killings no se ne be ya omo no benya abotre enya time adwudwam amehu nipa omo di saa dwuma no. Proposal number 1 no. John Mahama sa the proposal number 2 ema Dampare. Number 2 was see collaboration with witnesses and families. Or see conduct thorough interviews with witnesses, victims' families, and other relevant individuals who may provide crucial information. I see another proposal, and I say, I can share an audit to John Mahama editor Dr. Dampare and say, I see, team, do you have something for me? With the John Mahama and the second proposal, the Madam Dampare say, I see. Collaborate with witnesses and families. Or say, sa team na obetse no e was say omutumi ne den omo a sebio asem ne si no na omo ho omo ni tua sebio et say Kevin Taylor mo bo videos no nipa na omo wom ebusuafo na yeku omo de hye no. Or say proposal be say mo ne sankofo dia mo frefro bu nyina mra na task force ne any omo ndi nsa woso because omo na sebio dodo no na omo wo bebia ensem ne si no omo na sebio omo wo inginaso any evidence a ebetumi ama mo ansem no nhwehwemu no akototen. Proposal number 3. So I'm for obi okay. Review of electoral security arrangements. I say investigate the role and actions of security personnel deployed at the affected polling stations to determine their involvement or oversight. John Mahama said the third proposal by or say elections no 2020-2024 no. I was say at the end of the day, no, Dampare and an investigating team now, or better a task force, no. I was say almost sashay soldier for any a police for ye suma omo na omo wo sin no o se omo nya abotre no omo hwehwem hu omo na omo wo ho omo aye suma omo dwuma potia na oso omo kodi commander na omo hye chire nipa omo sensan krata ma omo koye omo ma order o se sa nyom de behia se task force na ni be ko ho na eye police fo a who were involved ye kase omo ye involved a asem ni sie no omo wo ho police ni bia ni wo ko ho a na sebio enye penyin na suma no unless some of them call police for because I wish a video now you police for no mujina ho Moshe Dampare ase. In the social video, no, I had Techman South 2020, and not police for her. Into John Mahama proposal, and I say, Mr. Dampare, who be a task force now, making sure the police ni be na or what's seen no, mobile friend no matter to mano, na who a yes senior, yes small mama call her, Jumadi and also Mukodi, weapons and Ekutomo, commander no deal with him, any omo logistics in the mano ecosisa, or say, and also a proposal. Proposal number 4. So I'm before, okay. Number 4, see, use of forensic evidence. John Mahama, they are member David Bio. John Mahama. Use of forensic evidence. Or see, employ advanced forensic techniques to analyze any physical evidence from the crime scenes, including bullet casings, weaponry, and other materials. John Mahama say, Dr. Dampare. In fact, when I'm your president, through my secretary, me per se. This fourth suggestive proposal we udiso ebeboa nyina or say would the abefo nhwehwemu a your friend forensic audit oh we say for movies na or say yemfa abefo infidie enye den endi dwumadie we sebio lie detectors senia bullet ayetoto ye pepe bullet shells no de atoto form ye yi ni nyina bebia wo na ye kenkan ne hu number we serial number bullet we de Mr. Nkansa ne de ma no sebio sa tear gas we or say ye hia forensic audit nhwehwemu a sebio CPC ta in Shishemu to say a day them and not so clean a pepa squeaky cleaner sebio obijina baby I want to make us a way de mindi for and I'm in deepim or say no and a John Mahama say Dampare what task force na our mobile investigations or omun enfandi juma yan to us so John Mahama kansem me dwudwam seshi at contombra for obia okay the asankregwa bibia fine ho obia ti ase someone ti bia ase phone lines and bibia mon frame na min chechi why asankregwa midomo most midomi I know asankregwa for now mama yanko enum the proposal number 5 John Dramani Mahama ediama Dr. Dampare besides I tell you now number 5 John Mahama say or proposee say the collaboration with electoral and civic bodies or see work with the Electoral Commission and other relevant agencies to review reports from the 2020 and 2024 elections for additional context. Or see Dampare men di juma no enya nkwa no be di juma because elections time and the mass antokwa no ene ekumu no esiye ewudie no nti ebeye se wo ne isi no ebeka montoma aboeni na maye mpensempensemu any other agencies sebio omoso no omoye civic bodies omono so na election omo kan e de se kode oni ade no nyina wo ebi mo ye observers ni ade no omo se mo involve omo in the elections the investigations the killings no se ne be ebema modwuma na ye wano titru electoral commission no o se monton sanfra electoral commission no commissioners adom wo ho agent no mo share electoral commission tade de omu hu ye de fa ho de dwuma mu di ye ni nyina beboa ama de investigations no esita hwe apeke now ukwasia wa o say and this is coming from the secretary to the president it John Mahama no asem and o de abre Dampare o say to maintain public trust and ensure transparency, we kindly request periodic updates on the progress of the investigations. John Mahama say, Dr. Dampare, say, and the Yenina Ghana for Yaberisha nsemu. Or see, dear Opesa Ohun say, investigations no cost no e was a tax force no at least every week be omo to me brief Ghana for the omo hu and baby omo ko yeah pa because ebeboa ma ye nyina ye so ya boa omo mama ye dwuma no into I say John Mahama, the president of the Republic of Ghana 2025 no or say Dr. Dampare sa investigations so mu bia ye periodic update. So Bronica's a periodic update, and Brofumunika periodic update. It is a sebio, where the Manus is Obabuninsa a periodic. Just a busumi be a beba. That means that I was set Yanni Timemufono, Mutumi Emeden, a church and Semuche, senior investigations in the Kosono. In the John Mahama said, Obe Pese, a side investigations no periodically, no, ana wano, ana embrasum bresono, week biana 2 weeks biano, Omo press conference, na Omube Jum, Ami baby Omodu, Nipo interview, and just about your final a year relation. But also me last week, you interview Nipa 30, Nipa 15, you interview police for 30, you interview ECG4, EC4, you weigh, you bullet shells, you Nipa by any evidence by, or say Ghana for into week biano, or some way update, national television, na you Sibia Asamnoko. When you're friend of transparency. Oku Enima John Mahama through his secretary, or trust me, or say, this will help to keep stakeholders informed and assure the public of your commitment to uncovering the truth. Now, we are confident in the competence and professionalism of the Criminal Investigations Department and trust that your efforts will yield the necessary results to bring justice to the victims and their families while preserving the integrity of Ghana's democratic process. We assure you of the utmost support should you require any additional support or information from us. Signed, yours sincerely. It was signed by Callistus Mahama, PhD. Oh, also a doctor. Dr. Callistus Mahama, Secretary to the President. And the Criminal Investigations Department, Nipa ye CC omo, and Nipa omo so ensaka krata webia, ninyina wa files so no. Yedibi Koma, the Vice President of the Republic of Ghana, Professor Nana Jane Opoku-Agyeman, ninsa eka krata nibi. The Chief of Staff, Mr. Julius Debra, ninsa kebi. And ya receive there was letter na akodu Ghana Police Service, headquarters. Nipa or receiving letter no your friend Sergeant Joshua Nate and or receiving on the 10th of January 2025 was signed IGP Secretary no. Into this letter is on record. We are expecting the IGP to come out to tell us to say a task force has been set specifically to deal with this the election killings 2024 killings. John Dramani Mahama is showing leadership. John Mahama is willing to serve. Professor Nana Opoku-Agyeman is going to support him to do that. This is what we have been waiting for. We wanted a leader who will open up, who will let us know that we are part of governance. This is what we call collaborative governance. We are part of people we have elected into office. We are also part of the governing body. We are also going to suggest, we are also going to help through the little resource we have. Way any other teacher mind. So if you are seeing this, more sankregwa, more bekwai, more ejoso, more swami. Dear Essin said John Dramani Mahama, who the president of the Republic of Ghana, no, or the letter Koma Dampare, near Jujani Mwachiremo. We Dampare Jejiriji. It's up to him to do what we want. What the president wants is what we Ghanaians we want. And I agree with every single thing the president has suggested to the IGP. And I know Dampare Christoni, Sebio, Odenukre, Sir Odidi IGP, no, these are proposals that are unique also DSO. And we are waiting for the IGP immediately to respond to this letter publicly through a press conference to let us know, say, we can trust him. We can trust him. Inti, this is what is on the table. Moya Ghana ni na utiemia. Ghana na munimuno. The Ghana under Kwame Nkrumah, the Ghana under JJ Rawlings, the Ghana under John Mahama and Atta Mills, the Ghana under John Mahama, no, the Ghana again under John Mahama, no, and Monsaka, no, transparency, accountability, and Astate, no, and it's going to be clear cut. This is not witch hunting. This is clear cut transparency, accountability. It is very important. Into your Ghana utiemia, what tieni na waha. Ochina, kwasiebia betina radio so sebeke kansan fufuro bia say, hey, Kevin Ejudwam, ye nim de John Mahama or your president no, akachere IGP. Yeah, expect say IGP so ebedi proposal no so. John Mahama onye autocrat, wan she IGP or say we ye. And I know the IGP knows these proposals are legit and he will do what the president is asking. It mema kwasi bia betena radio so ochina. En kan kire wo say, ai yente ase Mahama choleta bi en makenkan adwudwom akire no. Saa ne ebeye no. Ye de no kure en ebe kikire man no. Endra no bi ka semi na sa akode no sa akode so onya nipa. Sa akode ejimi no ho na back to Gary Sokins near the comfort sa akode we hypocrite. Me who say comfort sa akode cham say na momo jimi. Sa akode is a foolish hypocrite. Anamu for 8 years kwasia tribal musician. The course nyina wentuma antonyo amfa ba akumpo ho odwan sa 2x4 estate na wuti no. You provide document how you made money to build those 2x4 estate na wusi no ho no. Sa kwasia estate na wusi na MPP for na ema usika no. You do a lifestyle audit. Kwasia. Ayo mama se tete VW light tete Ghana kekan kwasia sem. You this boy sa akodi me person oh you are not relevant. You are the most irrelevant musician in Ghana. So you lawyer, so you uncle, so you obimpo. So you unam Ghana and kwasia politics. You catch them from the beginning. Munja is a tribal thing na mo ye no. Me who a tribal musician to say sa akodi da. Stingy broke ass nigga. And not to Ghana and kwasia some pupo ha. You could not speak. Tribal fool. Me every day I tell you people. So always me Kobe once a man me was something. Sakodi. Because somewhere near Ghana, sir, these people did pure politics from 2012 to 2016. Sakodi. Every stage he mounted from 2012 to 2016, it was all politics. Suddenly, Sakodi party about power. Kwasia MPP. Yeah, they account for party. And on them Ghana banchire. Benza Ochi. The Range Rover light no 2012 there and a body near 2022 there a bofunu and a mother danko for me say sad and I also will say estate no. You do a lifestyle audit. You look in your books. Do you file your taxes? Only akwara do it, you know. What dear me say? What sa kwa dear mo sankwasi afo we na mona mo misleading the youth. Hundreds and thousands of Ghanaians in 2015. Akwa we sa kwa de kwa champagne we. About you move since kankabi tinam Ghana Jimmy. And you want to be to nyom. Tetena boga na ye den. Ultimate to papa bi echa kolebia banado to akota. Odo obema ko tuane to oh feature me. He. Wo de shatawale moye. Otete Ghana nkwasiade. Kwabute kromphobia ne nse. Musician oye concern isa akode. Open musician oji there for otumiji 7,000 nyina sa akode. Otumiji America otumiji 8,000 nyina. Therefore musician force mu musician sa akode. Only the chere wambo 2,000 crore beji. Ohie ni sa akode to nam Ghana enkwasia politics. Stone boy mo, Shatawale mo, at least they are in the news. And they are not just in the news for nothing. They are producing. We are seeing their music. What about you? Echa kolebia mba no tatara no ho. We mo bunko toju onim. Na wanyu papa be na waye. Be 10 years numbo onyu papa bia me enkai no 1 month mpoda. Na nse dia na fork and knife kuta wi. Eno aso 3 days eto na ehwe ye wie asa. Ye ntie enyum mpo. Eto na ye hwe. Enyum na ngasa bibia nim. Ene ye rekosa o club na se rekosa wa sorry dem. Enyum na ye hwe no video no so no Facebook no. Na ye to na ye hwe. De se una wo lyrics papa bia ebe ma nipa tie wu. O bodam. Meba also wo. Now. Amanfo bi yem. Yeyemo. John Mahama na president na se de yin. Sound no kure betuma sa ai. Mema ntientia no am ko wedding na. Omhwehwe wase sa identia. Mema ntientia. See ai. Girls om date short men om nim. I debia mema ntientia debia om tendom ni passing. This is for the puppy. But again no. Na go see why. Onam nipa na say wo mam dem zako cancel. This is for the I mema ntientia no ko wedding bra obre. Because ebasa na say ebia groom no ne bride na ewe nim a debia no me no mam nyina table we so I mema ntientia. Onom ko wedding bra obre no. Because debia pagya on sa na on sa ko bona no pa say come na sorry. But we scout me ka hwe debia osisi mba ko ho. I remember dear, this is for the puppet. Because also about what na be man so wa o say papa ni wo form I say hwe sa akode enyum no I eto ne ekwohwe na sa akode so ejimi onim papa bi ato nti oba tietia emema tietia don ko we na bra obre I because o say enyum ni bi wo ha o sa e wo say e wo soro I oba de etia e normal I oba o etia it's cool but bema etia de nye I oni bema etia ko we na de bia say I pick here ara umi anjujom abotwe I original every day. Asama ba mami njujom, ya njujwa foforo mu ha. Konkonsa rapper sa akode. Upe rapper ya konkonsa ni wo Ghana sa akode. Sa akode de konkonsa. Obedi sisi a wo de munko busa. Industry no munim sa akode ne konkonsa. Obeka ho asam ya. Ai, sa akode. Mi hu rapper konkonsa ni da, rapper konkonsa. Rapper ho fe konkonsa. Rapper bogise konkonsa. Rapper abojise konkonsa ni bia ne nse na yes say fork ba kukuta na knife ba kukuta ye hwe to a wo so nyum na wo nim nyum to ye be hwe to na ne ganye no nge be hwe ye hwe to ko na to ba ai na to dane na wo to jimi na he na buno se endemre no se ah ende start nyum ne de etwa ni aboko am start ne ade ende 2025 sa ko pa sa supporters do say sometimes odi mama Shatawale supporters no do too much. Over Stoneboy supporters now for Sakode supporters kitwe bi I almost come di omo. Sakode supporters unta po hu omo. Oh yeah Kinsak. Oh Kinsak. Oh Sak for the o my say o my nim enije nim because anyum na kwa ne to do. Tete de na o e na ye den o gina stage say ultimate body na go insuo ginam ai say unum champagne cigar to so wabodam wo yo twen ebe se wakoma esa na de bia gas gina omu ai say Akode supporters kiti into de bia Stoneboy supporters feel big ai say Stoneboy supporters omo ndoso but say Akode supporters the Stoneboy supporters feel big no ai obi say Sammy supporters kiti and me party omo be bados just Sammy supporters Sammy oh Inti on say and then the Stoneboy supporters they feel big, you know. Because don't want to say Akode supporters. We are big. Go here. You don't know us. Our boss is Bim. Bim no. Bim wofu. Bim. Obia wa concert fe. Obia ba concert there. Sister wa ejuma. Ade chi akokuma se akojimi ho. Was concert o no was edi jira. Na wunim. Shatawale ko Jamaica manenko. Shatawale akotoka manento. And your problem when you go and big up you ankasa you go and sell your message to the people. You go and brand yourself to them. Forget about Shatawale. Say right now Akwen international. Is your friend interna? Is your interna? What do I say about international? Interna no or no baby on no he's not even thinking about what you are doing. Not why you show my baby you okay. No akotena radio so can dia why ye mankofo na fei on sebunya you are ranting ade awate so obi kotoka Stone me di wo ho ya papa bon 33 girls akofo mo board to mo krampo no na ha me say we me di wo ya me say Stone sibia boys feel we akotena radio so and this man I'm say hey and I'm share video bi no ye show bi Stone is going insane because Stone are you in love with Shatawale's ass? Because it looks like right now, your mom Michael cry, you cannot even deliver. Shatawale is going and a certain. No, forget, leave Shatawale. When it was Bandana, you Stoneboy, you were working at Buashi and stuff. Leave Bandana alone. Let him be. Let him do his thing. I am penny for the question of Jamaica. Buster Rhymes, Vibes Cartel, I am penny for Bam Tikela. I'm penny for a show. Okay. At the Sabra Football World Cup of African nations. Onje. Yen the World Cup, yes, Bobi. Into we African nation we do quarterfinals now we gidi bro for World Cup unim de World Cup ba gold na ye World Cup na ni body gold de ba into your World Cup ni afro se bebobia we African nation do quarterfinals ni you okay abrofu adwuma abrofu game into so what to say Shatawale ni penifo ko show relax just do what you do best and I keep telling people me power some but it looks like right now you are in love with Shatawale's ass I say you're an ass licker. Bibio benyebia and Shatawale and certain smart forget. Obia what the ordinance we are see. Obia what the one who saw what is on the Mauya you. That is what people want to know. Leave the guy who's mingling with the names. I am penny for na Abojano Akobi, or Nim penny for or company for one of my friend. because me nyasha Busta Rhymes be show no afre e Vibes Cartel ye show no afre Busta Rhymes be fresh akode onim say empenifo show. These are guys, they have been in the industry, they are connected, they are internationals. So when we say Shatawale call regular meeting, relax. Na digi impenifo show. Impenifo. Inti basana me don't go there. And I now supporters no me too. Something small no mo fu. Me pewasem I love you nigga. No homo. You have your ass be hard. Me pewasem. Uye talented. I love your music. But craft this I say style be I say you are so obsessed with bandana Shatawale Jano. Watoka Jano no go to the car. Wato dive for Jano. What worry what you ma or you dog or you do what you say, Bena boy mame. She loves you, she wants you to do good. Concentrate on your craft. Stop this and I want to fight. I love you, I like you, man. For the first time I heard you, I said, you are the boy. Just concentrate, just do it, Stone. Stone, do it. Do it for me, Stone. What is all these things? Do it for me. We say when lose concentration, cry. What Daniel Obiekuta? Your trade, John Mike, and now can be some Jabo and on Tonica. Hatawale. No. Hatawale, Jan like SM fan for Jam Life Momo. Omuna religion. Omuni the trouble from Sa SM for no. Omu to set it to soldier for. Omu krokia. Omu Jamo. Let them be. Odi on Kakrano Agadano. On refugee camp on Umo Ninja. They love you. Anyway, general vlog is ready. I love Stone Boy. Don't take that for granted. I love him. No homo. But I think he's losing it. Stone, I think you are losing it. My follow Kakra recently. Some of the things you say does not make sense. Your brand, you are failing to sell your brand, Jack. The people, Madam Stone Boy, Mrs. Stone Boy, talk to him. He's a good talent. I love him. Good musician. But talk to the guy. He's losing it. I think the temper not still. You people need to work on it. I am also Soranopa, Madam Stone Boy. The problem is Anopa Soranopa to no one yam akikidru. O de suri se kakre gum na de hwentia ansa na wo de akikid a lime kakra som na de nsu she kakra mananom ebeboa because the temper no ha no. Wednesday we bia so yemutuo ma no. We yemutuo na akokon say e mani penya abotre. Akokokon inti Wednesday we mutua no ma akokokon akokokon man sa be 3 months sa na koma ni nyina beba fom ohutuo kro badwin se kebab fada inti madam I love you too good dentist inti Mr. Aya find a way why all right mama me
Yo, it for Winnie and Summer Abeto. Yep, so Mikao says, so we now subscribe to channel here. Bomodia say, we subscribe. As I had here latest and hot news. And qua Aramede Bremo. After we are now like video, no, give us a thumbs up. Now, fee share my offer now. When you be here now, who and somewhere also, ewo Ghana memoha. Also between otchere, wadring a fire and some way, ewo comment box in Mobati Minkabium in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.